Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Naga-style radish pickle. This guide will walk you through creating a vibrant and flavorful condiment. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to the final steps of storage. Get ready to prepare a delightful pickle that adds a wonderful kick to any meal, using straightforward methods and common kitchen items. It's a truly rewarding culinary experience. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 500 grams of crisp radishes, ensuring they are fresh and firm. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of vibrant red chili powder for that signature Naga heat. Have on hand about 1/4 cup of mustard oil, along with 1 tablespoon each of finely minced ginger and garlic. A pinch of salt will complete your ingredient list. Now, let's prepare and mix everything. First, wash your radishes thoroughly and slice them thinly, aiming for consistent pieces. In a clean bowl, combine these sliced radishes with the minced ginger, garlic, and red chili powder. Pour in the mustard oil and sprinkle in the salt. Gently mix all ingredients together by hand, ensuring every radish slice is well coated for maximum flavor infusion. Finally, for storage and enjoyment, carefully transfer your freshly mixed radish pickle into a sterilized, airtight glass jar. This helps preserve its freshness and flavor. Store the jar in a cool, dry spot, away from any direct sunlight, to maintain its quality. While it's tempting, allow the pickle to marinate for at least 2 to 3 days before serving. This resting period truly enhances its delicious, spicy tang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.